Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present the answers from case study 2 for subject cloud computing. Okay, my group members consist of two people, namely my friend Aina Wahida binti Kamaluddin and myself Nur Natasha Shakila binti Muhammad Khairi. Okay, this is table of contents. Here we can see that its contents consists of finds of what is Amazon EC2 service, explain the relation between AMI and instance, describe this storage for Amazon EC2 instance, explain the term stopping, terminating, and starting in Amazon EC2 instance, find out on how to perform the launch and Amazon EC2 instance, find out on how to create security group in Amazon EC2 instance. Find out what is Amazon EC2 service. Answers: Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Amazon EC2 delivers scalable computing power in the Amazon Web Service (AWS) cloud. Using Amazon EC2 eliminates the need to invest on hardware upfront, allowing you to create and deploy apps more quickly. You may, you may use Amazon EC2 to deploy as many or as few virtual servers as you need, configure security and networking, and manage storage. Amazon EC2 allows you to scale up or down to address change in demand or surges in popularity, removing the need to estimate traffic. Explain the relation between AMI and instance. An instance is a virtual computer with the characteristic and operating system that you specify when you create it. When you make an AMI of an instance, two things happen. First, the creation of an AMI with all of its launch options. And two, the attachment of a snapshot to this AMI with this backup of the instance. Describe the storage for Amazon EC2 instance. The answer is, first, Amazon EBS. Amazon Elastic Block Store. Amazon EBS provide block level storage volume for use with EC2 instance. EBS volumes operate like raw, unformatted block device. You can mount this volume as a device on your instance. Attached EBS volumes are present as storage volumes that persist independently of the instance life. You may build a file system on top of these volumes or use them in any manner. You will use a block device such as a hard drive. A volume associated to an instance can have its settings changed dynamically. Second, Amazon EC2 Instant Store. AWS EC2 Instant Storage Service is a temporary block storage service. EC2 Instant Storage is not a storage service in and of itself, but rather a component of the EC2 service. These storage devices are physically located on the same host that hosts the EC2 instance and are mostly used to store temporary data related with the EC2 instance. Third, Amazon S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is an object storage service that provides industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customers of all sizes and sectors may use Amazon S3 to store and safeguard any amount of data for a variety of use cases, including data lakes, website, mobile apps, backup and restore, archiving, business application, IoT device, and big data analytics. Amazon has management options that allow you to optimize, organize, and configure access to your data to fit your unique business, organizational, and compliance needs. Fourth, add-in storage. A root storage device is generated for each instance that is launched from an AMI. All of the information required to boot the instance is stored on the root storage device. When you construct an AMI or run an instance using block device mapping, you can select storage volume in addition to the root device volume. See block device mapping for additional details. EBS volumes can also be attached to a running instance. See attach an Amazon EBS volume to an instance for further details.
Hi, my name is Aina Wida, so I can explain this part. Explain the term stopping and terminating and starting in Amazon EC2 instance. When you stop an instance, it enters the healthy state followed by the state head state. We do not charge any use or data transmission cost for your instance after you terminate it, but we do charge for any Amazon EBS volume that you can store with us while your instance is is in the head state. You can change some of its properties, including the instant type. When you start the instant, it enters the pending state and we relocate it to a new host computer, though in some cases it remains on the current host. When you stop the restart your instance, you lost any data on the instant store volumes on the previous host machine. Okay, next feature of the Amazon EC2 service. Instance which are virtual computer environments. Amazon machine image which are prefigured templates for your instance divided the parts you need for your server, including the operating system and additional software. A variety of CPU, memory, storage, and networking capacity combination for your instance, known as instance types. Using key pair, safeguard login information for your instance. AWS store the public key and you store the private key in a secure place. Storage volumes for ephemeral data that is erased when you suspend or terminate your instance, known as instance store volumes. Amazon Elastic Block Store persistent storage volumes for your data, also known as Amazon EBS volumes. Multiply physical location for your resources, like an instant Amazon EBS volumes, known as regions and ability zones are virtual computer environments. A firewall that allows you set the protocols port and source IP range that can reach your instance using security groups. Static IP address for dynamic cloud computing, also known as elastic IP address. Virtual private clouds are virtual networks that you may construct that are conceptual, isolated from the rest of AWS cloud, and that you can optionally link to your own networks. Okay, next, find out on how to perform the launch and Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, first open the Amazon, then click the service, choose the EC2. After that, click the EC2 dashboard and click the button Launch Instance. Step 1. Choose an Amazon machine image AMI. Just select the first choice, Amazon Rhino 2 AMI. After that, after tick, just click the button Next Configure Instant Details. For step 3, configure instant details. So just complete the details and click the button Next Add Storage. Complete the step 3 and step 4 add storage. After that, just click button next add text. Step 5 add text, key, name, value, web server Aina Natasha, and then click button next configure security group. For step 6 configure security group, just tick and click the button Review and Launch. For step 7, review install launch. After see the instant and security group, just click the button Launch. After that, select an setting key pair or create a new key pair. Choose the create a new key pair name, just name Aina Natasha and click the button launch instance. Launch status. You are instant are now launching. So you can click the instant. You can see the instant you create.
Find out on how to create security group in Amazon EC2 Instant. Okay. Step first is open AWS and click on EC2. Step 2, open Network and Security, click Add Security Group and click Create Security Group. For security group name, names web server, description my-ws. For outbound rules, type all traffic and click Create Security Group. And the security group was created successful. And this can see the detail. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good night.